Shalom, it's me, that is Zion. And today I'm going to discuss the secrets of ungodly parents, Israel's edition, 2024. Have you ever wondered why is it that when you were in the world and your parents were always there to assist you? Or have you noticed that they've been and have had unlimited time for you and their grandchildren? But all of a sudden, something changed. They began to become noticeably aggressive, verbally, and to include physically. The only change was you coming into the truth, as well as not looking for accountability for their actions because they feel that they're justified because they're your parent. Ox and cats, you're not alone. I too have experienced some of these characteristic flaws within our ungodly parents. And I will be the first to say that it needs to stop. Tampering with someone's faith as a parent is extremely wicked. Y14, count me in. All right, family, let's jump into some precepts from Torah and Tanakh. Let's begin, shall we? Leviticus 19:11 from the Torah, and it states, "You shall not steal. You shall not deal deceitfully or falsely with one another." Leviticus 19, verse 17 through 18 from the Torah, and it states, "You shall not hate your kinsfolk in your heart. Reprove your kinsman, but incur no guilt because of him. You shall not take vengeance or bear a grudge against your countrymen. Love your fellow as yourself. I am Yahweh." Proverbs 11:27. Let's get into some wisdom, family. "He who earnestly seeks what is good pursues what is pleasing. He who is bent on evil, upon him it shall come." Proverbs 11:29. "He who makes trouble for his household shall inherit the wind. A fool is a slave to the wise." Proverbs chapter 12:22. "Lying speech is an abomination to Yahweh, but those who act faithfully pleases him." Now, family, that we went over our precepts, I believe it's about time to jump into these characteristics of ungodly parents. And I want to point out, family, that this is directed to anyone, either age, whether you be young or old, that has a parent that has displayed or are still displaying these type of actions. All right, now that I got that disclaimer out, let's jump in. No appearance of Yah in their face, their actions, or mannerism. Overly critical on a regular basis. Comparison between yourself and your siblings. Lack of empathy will give you something then take it away because you're in the truth, such as a house, a car, a job, etc. Will immediately dislike your truth partner because they're no longer able to manipulate you. Will purposely not assist you in your times of need, but they always got their hand out because they're your parent. Physically abusive towards you with objects such as iron, brooms, pliers, pots, chains, etc. Anything they can get their hand on. Will comment on your social media page derogatory statements when they see a post of you doing good for yourself. Will plot on your failure. Will speak about you negatively to other family members, at those gossip reunions. Forces you to entrap another being through sexual acts as a teenager because you look of age. Will attempt to sleep with your spouse behind your back. Will guilt trip you. Repeatedly tells you you're dumb for not believing in JC. Will forcefully push their new wife or husband in your face, wanting you to be accepted, even though it's their third marriage. Will bring their side woman or man around you and telling you it's you and their little secret. Will kick you out the house at the age of 18 with no job, no idea of how to pay bills, because you're legally considered grown and now it's their time to do them. Will help you sell drugs from their house as long as you're paying the bills. Inconsistent with discipline or no discipline at all within their home. Overbearing control. Purposely interrupts your holy days and will call them dumb. Will call or text you happy birthday, willfully knowing you don't celebrate, to include wishing you a happy holiday. Extremely intrusive. Will see you as a competitor, not their child. Wants you to follow in their footsteps, like you don't have a brain of your own. Will control you using money. I need you to do this for me and I'll pay you, but if you don't do this, well, guess what? Ding, 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 ding. Will threaten not to speak to you if you don't end your romantic relationship with your partner. Will act like they're your lover around your partner, making them feel uncomfortable. Will compare your new relationship to your old relationship partner in front of your new relationship partner's face. Demands your attention and praise. Will withhold love as a form of punishment. Passive aggressive. Example, giving short, rude responses. Will give you no apology or take any blame. Ignores healthy boundaries. Won't allow you to practice independence while in the safety of their home. Will not babysit your child, but will babysit your sibling's child. Now we know that ain't right. Will provoke you to anger, to suicide, and to leaving their lives completely. Will call you retarded, stupid, dumb, etc., and remind you of how he or she should have had you aborted. Will keep you from the other parent purposely because they still made it. Expresses no emotion. You only see one side of this parent, such as cold-hearted. They belittle your children and you in front of the faces of others. They refuse to pray over others, but not themselves. You know, JC got to hear them. Will never say, I love you, because they can't feel love within themselves. Now, family, that was a few characteristics of ungodly parents that we as Israel deal with. Now, if you know of someone who is dealing with these same characteristics within their household or within a separate household where their parent visits them or calls them quite frequently, please share this video and let them know that they're not alone. Offer them a hand out. Offer them some advice. Offer them a way up. But definitely pray for your brethren. We all need it in the truth. We all need it as an Israelite nation. God, but what we do not need is ungodly parents dictating our lives, especially when you're over the age of 25, about who you are in a truth relationship with. Take heed. Take notes. Take this advice. Family, this was Discovering the Secrets of Ungodly Parents, the Israelite edition 2024. Shalom, America.